video, we will learn how to activate and deactivate swipe to call or send messages feature in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now you can make calls or send messages by swiping right or left across the contact or log items in your device. To begin, swipe up from the home screen. Tap on Settings. Tap on Advanced Features. Tap on Motion and Gestures. Scroll and tap on Swipe to call or send messages, and then tap on the switch to activate it. Now let's see how it works. Now swipe towards right to make a call or swipe towards left to send message. So this is how you can activate and deactivate swipe to call or send messages feature in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.